Can you smell that?
Yes.
Oh, time to swap cars around. Just need to
We're going down to JDMX Park on
grab all this crap off and...
That's right.
What are you doing?
Going down to JDMX Park on Saturday?
Maybe.
Maybe.
See what the weather's like. So, either way, we got to try and get this thing out, but this doesn't turn right.
Okay.
So, I don't know we're going to do that. But anyway.
Oh no, it doesn't work like that.
Hey?
I was trying to say push the wheels, but it doesn't.
No, you can't turn right at all, like the steering rack's stuffed. Swap it around, put the ute back there. Actually, if I can just go forward enough to get the VP out and around, and then
Oh yeah, right. It's gonna get the. Oh yeah.
put the VP forward and then get the ute back in, back to there, and then VP here.
Oh, you just need to put a top down.
Yeah, no, ute out there, and then when we pull the motor out, as long as the front's facing this way.
What?
Yes. We'll pull the motor and box out, do the clutch, and we may as well do the rack while it's all out, then it's easier.
Yeah.
Where's the key for the ute? It isn't gear.
Ah, that's fine. I'll get that thing off.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Uh-oh, not starting. There we go. Let's try this. Oh, that's a nice VK wagon you got there, sir. See, that's as far as I can turn right. Oh, yeah, she's stuffed. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Might have to move that. We might have to move that.
Okay.
I'll get back to you when we figure out what the hell we're doing. I think the rack just blew. Yep. God damn it. Alright. Now to clean up all this junk everywhere. Anywho, these are Ryland's new wheels for the VP.
Lee got him.
Lee got them for us.
They're out for hard rubbish on the side of the road.
They're the VK Calais wheels off the VK, which hopefully we are swapping for some 20-inch Heritages. So they're bigger. Sort of look the same. Same, but different.
What?
Ugh. Let's see if this janky ass nugget starts. He wants to drive. Oh, hello sir, welcome to your Uber.
Hi.
The horn even works.
Oh, it works.
Oh! I've already done it.
Oh, it hit!
How do you stall an auto? Oh.
Why are you in second?
Oh, the Commodore graveyard. One here, one there, one over there.
Don't turn it off, I want to do something.
What?
Don't turn it off.
Goodbye.
Hi.
What?
Reach foot.
No. What? What? Don't. It's cold. You're gonna limiter bash it?
Yeah.
No, it's cold. Don't. Oh, maybe a Buick, but we still look after our vehicles, mate.
What? Everywhere.
Yeah, it's pissed all over the exhaust.
Yeah, look at it. It blooded it.
You jacking it up or what? Oh man, I don't know this car. Hang on. No, that's the sump, mate, so don't jack it up off there. Keep going under. Keep going a little bit more. Yep. Come back a bit. Yep. Forward a bit. There. Make sure it's all the way tight. Yep, now jack. Hang on, hang on. That's it.
Put that down.
You got some spaces, do you?
Good girl.
Only open. Good work, Zadie. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up.
Copyright.
Yeah, okay. I love you nutted yourself on it.
What?
On the bar. Wow. A super awkward moment that we put 20mm spacers on and the wheels still don't even stick out the guards.
Hi.
They still don't even stick out the guards and you got spacers on.
That'll be like, the spaces are that big.
Yeah, 20mm. What else do you need to do before next weekend? Or this weekend?
Well, the bumper just came off.
No, it's on. It's alright. It's all good.
Touch comes off properly. So he's running away.
What do you reckon? Check the oil?
Yeah, I think so.
So the oil, and then we should be right. Load it up. Not going to load it up tonight though, eh? Load it up on Friday night. Alright, well, if we don't see you before then, we'll see you Friday night. Yep, cool.
Yeah.
Sweet. Goodbye.
Bye.
Welcome back to another episode. Currently Easter Sunday. We've started. What have we done, mate?
We've unplugged everything. Took the.
Just down the back.
Well, took the bar thingy off. And then got to get the steering rack out of the other ute to put in this one, because this one.
Oh yeah, so this
broken.
one after Calder the other week that's what happened. It snapped the steering rack in 2 pieces. So long story short, we got a twin plate clutch to put in. We need to do engine mounts, and we got to do the rack, and it's literally easier to pull the whole motor out to do those things.
But you got this.
Oh, we got an engine crane. $100 delivered to our door. That's alright, eh? Good deal.
Corona.
What? Oh yeah.
I love them well.
Should we grab the clutch and show them?
It's
Coolest thing about it is it comes in a suitcase. So twin plate. Yeah, it's all in there. All comes in a fancy suitcase.
and then in a box.
So put that in, and then yeah. So I gotta get underneath, do the stuff underneath. Rylan can try and pull the gear knob off, eh? Once he stops eating. Oh, BT dub. Got another new car. Where'd you go? New daily. Well, wouldn't call it daily. More of a weekender. It's currently filthy. Top one, mate. Top one.
Oh.
You can turn it off now. Ready, hand, stay still for a sec, ready? Ready, hand. Oh, I won't do it. Damn it! Focus! Focus, boy! Ah. Anyway, alright, let's do this. Let's get this car done. Well, it's out. About 2.5 hours later. From here we can see that cross member, the power steering rack is pooped. Apart from that, power steering fluid everywhere, all over the ground. This one was a bit of a pain. Loom was the biggest thing, but I've cracked off the gearbox now, and I mean I'll need, oh nope, yeah, I'll need 2 hands, pull that apart. Okay. Well, it doesn't look that bad. Fair bit of clutch dust in there. I actually thought this thing would be trashed. just because my clutch was getting stuck to the floor. Unless we're getting an internal leak or something, but I don't know. Oh, I'll get the bell housing off and get the clutch off, and then we'll go from there, I guess. Okay. Well, it doesn't look that bad. Fair bit of clutch dust in there. I actually thought this thing would be trashed. Just because my clutch was getting stuck to the floor. Unless we're getting an internal leak or something, but I don't know. Oh, I'll get the bell housing off and get the clutch off, and then we'll go from there, I guess. Surprisingly, I mean, there's definitely some material on it. It's definitely gotten hot. But for a car making 450 horsepower, it's a standard, pretty well standard clutch. You can see where it's been melted to it a few times. But yeah, oh, time for the Mantic twin plate. See how that goes, I guess. Keep this one for a spare. But all in all, it doesn't look too bad behind here. Filthy, but you get that. Well, motor's out, gearbox is off, clutch wasn't anywhere near as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's getting dark now, so I'm gonna wrap it up. Tomorrow, hopefully, I can put all the clutch and all that gear back on. Yeah, I've got the clutch there, but it was for an LS1, so I have a TR60 or TR6060 slave that I got off a mate ages ago that suits the Mantic clutch, so hopefully everything else is the same. I'm not actually sure with TR6060s and T56s. I guess we'll find out. Anyway, sorry I didn't get any like time lapses or anything, but I just sort of wanted to get it out and I was by myself, so it's hard to try and capture doing stuff as well as doing the stuff. So anyway, there's bugs, it's getting cold. See you in the next episode. Ciao.